First, I like to cut the chocolate bars into chunks like this. Just place it like this and cut it from above.
Here you go. Can you tell me what kind of chocolate it is?
It's semi. How do you call it? Semi-bitter? Like it's not purely bitter chocolate. It's just normal chocolate. 50-50. 50% cacao and 50% milk. I don't know.
Okay.
Try.
Where the hell do I go?
This
All
is
right.
good. I think.
Distracted. Yes. Listen,
I
man,
say, yeah,
man,
it's kind of hard to
I'm-
follow what the fuck. I already haven't been paying attention to what Ted's doing. Now it's even harder.
My camera keeps falling, dude.
Don't worry about it.
Okay, so we got all the chocolate. Look at my hand. It's my hand is covered in fucking melted chocolate.
Delicious.
Yep, deliciousness.
All right.
Good thing I got my. I can use my hands anytime.
I think the chocolate hand like the best time to play video game, honestly.
Yeah, let me look at this first. All right. Next step. Let's leave this up here. Now we're gonna build the cookies, but first we need
Oh, there it is.
these. I don't have a what do you call it? One of those sheets for the oven. So I use paper sheets.
Devious
know what
links for devious cookies.
So this is the product I was making for New Year's Eve. It's a big
Delicious.
pile of cookie dough. Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, this smells so good. Okay. I never tried this before because I always add the chocolate with the dough, but this time I'm adding the chocolate when I'm making the cookie. So maybe this is gonna have a different kind of look. The cookies are gonna get bigger and wider, so
Bigger and wider, you say?
The ball's hardened.
The ball's hardened. The ball's hardened.
you're not trying to make an Among Us cookie.
Echo fart
No,
sound. Yeah, that's Door. Thanks, Door.
Thanks, Door.
Oh,
Door's got a whole slew of sounds. Door, would you like to show them some?
okay, we got
I will show him the classics. The one.
Yeah, go ahead.
What are you guys making for dinner? Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, I hope. Delicious. But hopefully for Canadian Thanksgiving you get to eat a lot of Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce.
What the fuck?
That is going on the ribs.
Imagine putting Sweet Baby Ray's in cookie dough.
Sweet Baby Ray's cookie dinner. Sweet Baby Ray's.
Instead of dunking your cookies in milk, imagine dunking your cookie in Sweet Baby Ray's.
Good. Sweet Baby Ray's. We have just applied the Sweet Baby Ray's. Sweet Baby Ray's. Not Sweet Baby Ray's. Sweet Baby Ray's.
Alright, there we go. We got an Among Us. Look
She's waiting for her ribs. I mean, she knows what's coming, and a Sweet Baby Ray's.
I love that the stream has devolved into
So
absolute chaos.
That's pretty
I
good.
hope you guys enjoyed. And now we finish with a Saul
Yes.
Goodman outro.
Waiting for your Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce.
I'm in tears, thanks. Where am I going?
Good luck.